my favorite fighter in the history of all fighting, and that's Cain Velasquez. He's a Mexican, his wife is Croatian. He's the ultimate father, the ultimate human being, my ultimate favorite fighter. I'm gonna do this one for you. We're gonna have some fusion Mexican Croatian tacos. This is Taco Bell. We're in Canada. People are saying, how did you get it? I got it. You know, I got connections. So I'm gonna use some of this Taco Bell seasoning. But what else I got? A bit of Diablo sauce. That's probably what goes in these Taco Bell sandwiches, or what do you call them? Tacos. There you go. So it's pretty saucy, this thing. And this has got to be more seasoning mix. Do I really need more seasoning mix? You always need more seasoning mix. This one is actually a cheese. Well, it's not really a cheese. It looks like a cheese, and it's not a cheese. This is a little more chunky, but I do need something to fusion this up. I gotta be quick on my feet. You're a boxer, you know, you gotta be quick. You gotta protect yourself at all costs. What do I have that's Croatian that I can put in these tacos? That was one of my jokes. I would say to the girls, do you have any Croatian in you? They say no, and I go, do you want some? So I do want some to put in here, so let me just see what's Croatian. It's gotta be something. Oh, I know. It's nuts. Ajvar. Ajvar is a blend of roasted red peppers and, believe it or not, eggplant. And you know what? It's gonna thicken this up because that's what was missing. We need to thicken this up a bit. So there you go. A bit of Croatian love. And you know what they say? No glove, no love. So Cain, keep fighting. And I'm gonna pan fry this taco meat while I prepare. The oil is still hot, and I'm gonna put the ground beef for the tacos in, and I'm gonna give it a good little soak so it cooks off better through the middle. And yeah, that's the way to do it. I'm gonna load this guy. I guess this goes in first. I know that I don't have sour cream, and I love sour cream. I'm gonna use 2 cheeses, and so what if the cheese falls in here? A bit of salad for some crunch. I should put something in here. I know something is missing. Why don't I use this for my taco holder? We like smoked foods in Croatia, and I don't think the Ajvar does it justice. So we have something called pašteta, which is pate, and we're gonna put some smoked salmon pate in, and we're gonna call this the freecain surf and turf. Oh, unbelievable. And just like that, we got a freecain taco. Let's do it. Oh, I love it. Freecain, because you know what? I'm getting goosebumps out now because of what you've been through, and I love you. Stay strong, keep fighting, and remember, we all love you. That's why you're so good. You got that Croatian fighting side with the Mexican mixed. Unbelievable. That's how it is. Right, girlie? I think that'll do it for that because I'm getting too full. Best advice anybody ever gave me, George Chivaldo. Always taught me, keep punching. And that's it. Keep punching, my friend. We love you. Thank you. Have a great evening.